I'm discuss very important topic. Your profile increase your other social media icon awareness. That is called increase your followers purpose, increase your subscribe purpose, increase for your social media awareness purpose. That is called you can using for your social media Facebook profile. In this Facebook profile, we can adding for your social media icons. That is, in this option call, we can go to option call is about. In the about option, we can go to option call is here option is contact and basic info. In this basic info, we can go to adding for information. See here. In this one, we are adding for every information will be there. See here, add phone number, add your address, add your public key, add your website. In this one, see here. If you not verify your numbers, click for verify your number. Detail about you, just select it. These are your options. These are your options from your Facebook profile page. Click for overview. See this one. In this overview option, click for works and education. See this one. Now here, just live. See advertise. Just in this, I'm clicking for everything in this. Add your website. See here, add your website for be these things. Here two difference. Your Facebook page applicable for only for one web page on your page, but profile we can add for n number of website pages. N number of website pages. The purpose of we can redirect your profile to your website purpose. Profile to website purpose. Now here, just look here. Just look in the option call is social links. In this, click for your option. In this one, we add for a number of social media icons. See here, Instagram, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, YouTube, Twitch, WhatsApp, Line, WeChat, Quick, Pinterest, and Tumblr, Ask.in, Sports, and LinkedIn, Skype. We added for a number of options. If you compare the page and profile will be getting for more visitor to your social media channels. In this one, if you're adding for any YouTube, just select here. If you go to your YouTube channel, in this channel, select for up to channel to your ID. Select this option. In this, select for your option here. Click for save change. Before save change, the social media icons visible for the public purpose for only for you or friends purpose. Now click here. This option only available for your profile purpose only. Why? Because profile exists for your friends or only for you and only for public purpose. But page for awareness for the entire public purpose. If anybody asking question, when adding for social icon, the permit for only for is the public your social media friends. That will be only for you only. List will be customized option. This option is not available for your Facebook page. Only available for Facebook profile. Just select here. Click for save change. If not required, just click for edit. Click for close. Click for save changes. This is called adding for social media icons on your Facebook profile. For getting for social media awareness purpose, for increase your subscribe and followers purpose. Facebook can't suppose Facebook page. Facebook profile can't adding for Facebook page URL user name.